The horror is back and Resident Evil is ready to terrify fans all over again. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech and gaming news. Resident Evil Requiem, the 10th mainline entry in Capcom's legendary franchise, is set to release on February 27th and gamers are buzzing with excitement. Returning to the roots of the series, Requiem takes players into the dark, twisted world of the Umbrella Corporation, whose experiments to create a new race of superhumans have unleashed everything from zombies and mutant dogs to monstrous leeches and plants. The story follows Grace Ashcroft, an FBI analyst haunted by her mother's past, a reporter who survived the original Raccoon City outbreak only to be murdered years later. Grace is sent to investigate a mysterious body at an abandoned Midwest hotel, the same site tied to a string of gruesome deaths and her mother's tragic fate. Our path crosses with series veteran Leon S. Kennedy, a seasoned agent who has faced multiple outbreaks and knows how to handle bioterror chaos. Together, they'll uncover secrets about the first Raccoon City incident while confronting their own past. Fans will also get a gameplay twist. You can switch between first-person and third-person perspectives to know better how they survive the horrors ahead. Whether you're a longtime Resident Evil fan or a newcomer drawn to the suspense, this title promises heart-pounding scares and deep lore to keep players hooked. Resident Evil Requiem will be available on PlayStation 5, Xbox Series XS, Nintendo Switch 2, and PC, ensuring everyone has a chance to step back into the darkness. So brace yourself, this isn't just a game, it's a full-on horror experience that will leave even the bravest trembling. Are you ready to jump in? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update. Good news for zombie fans! Capcom finally teases a Resident Evil Requiem gameplay after months of frustrating silence. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. After teasing the reveal at Summer Game Fest 2025, Capcom has been maddeningly quiet about its latest action horror game. Until now. During a special Japanese TV broadcast, fans finally got a glimpse of Grace Ashcroft in action, taking down relentless zombies, spotted by leaker Aesthetic Gamer on X. For the first time, Grace can be seen firing a pistol at the zombies before being bitten and chased by another flesh-eating nightmare. Classic Resident Evil 2 vibes all over again. The footage shows Capcom clearly dialing up nostalgia while setting the stage for a terrifying return to Raccoon City. Fans starving for details may be thrilled, but the timing is odd, because why debut gameplay exclusively on Japanese TV months before the global launch? Capcom's mysterious marketing cycle has left many frustrated, especially with pre-orders already open and a February 27th release date around the corner. And the good thing is, this tease hints that the marketing dilemma might finally end. With the Game Awards 2025 set for December 11th and a full Resident Evil showcase confirmed for early 2026, fans can expect major reveals, including possibly new characters, story details, and extended gameplay very soon. While Capcom deserves credit for not spoiling the entire game, showing the same content for months feels like a tease too far. At least now zombie hunters have hope. Requiem secrets are slowly clawing their way into the spotlight, bringing a classic horror experience fans have been craving for years. Are you waiting for Resident Evil? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update. Horror fans, brace yourselves. Capcom just dropped a bombshell. Resident Evil Requiem is coming. Welcome to GadInsider, where we're diving into this spine-chilling reveal. Resident Evil Requiem promises heart-stopping survival horror that leaves you shaking. Want to know what's lurking in this new nightmare? Keep watching. Let's get right to it. Capcom just announced Resident Evil Requiem, the 9th main title in the iconic survival horror series, set to haunt your screens on February 27, 2026 for PC, PlayStation 5, and Xbox Series X and S. And this is huge for fans craving that classic Resident Evil terror. The announcement came with a wild trailer that starts off deceptively normal, an office setting that lulls you into a false sense of security. Then, bam! Blood-composed zombies, eerie childhood threats, and seriously creepy centipedes crawl in, setting the stage for a horror fest. Capcom's teasing a heart-stopping experience that'll leave chills down to your very core. Yeah, we're already spooked. Requiem is a direct follow-up to 2021's Resident Evil Village, which brought the series back to its survival horror roots alongside Resident Evil 7. If you love the tense, resource scarce gameplay of this titles, Capcom's doubling down on that vibe. They're promising a game where you'll be fighting to escape death at every turn. Capcom's been on fire lately, not just with new titles, but also with their stellar remakes, like the critically acclaimed Resident Evil 4 remake in 2023. With Requiem, they're blending that modern polish with the classic horror that made the series a legend. While details are still on the wraps, we're betting on tight corridors, limited ammo, and plenty of jump scares. Mark your calendars for February 27, 2026, because Resident Evil Requiem is set to deliver the scares on PC, PS5, and Xbox Series X and S. Will it live up to the hype? We're counting down the days. So, are you ready to face the horrors of Resident Evil Requiem? What's got you most excited? Zombies? Centipedes? Or something even scarier? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to know. If you're hyped for more gaming news and horror reveals, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to join the GadInsider crew. We're your go-to for the latest in games and tech. Don't miss out. Nintendo is taking survival horror to the next level with its first ever special edition Switch 2 Pro controller, and this one straight out of Raccoon City. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your favorite tech hub. The Resident Evil Requiem edition is themed around Capcom's next mainline entry. At first glance, it looks like a standard black Pro controller, but it has a darkly detailed front faceplate covered with a fictional newspaper clipping from Raccoon City. The top proudly reads Resident Evil with Requiem below, and the design includes a haunting article excerpt and grim photos of the chaos on the ground. Perfect for hardcore fans who love understated collector's items. The themed controller costs just $10 more than the standard Pro controller. Small price for the extra creep factor. But that's not all. Switch 2 owners can also pre-order 2 limited edition physical versions of Requiem at $90 each. The Resident Evil Generation Pack packs Requiem with Resident Evil Village Gold Edition and Resident Evil 7 Gold Edition, while the Deluxe Edition has a steelbook case, lenticular card, and tons of digital content. Nintendo isn't just stopping at controllers. An amiibo for Requiem's protagonist Grace Ashcroft is on the way, likely for around $40, although that won't arrive until summer 2026. However, the controller is now available for $100 for pre-order at Best Buy and the Nintendo Store, and it'll launch on February 27, 2026. Fans can get ready to collect, play, and survive the terror in style. Nintendo has officially turned the Pro controller into a horror collector's dream, and fans are already lining up to get their hands on this limited edition gem. Have you made the pre-order already? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. PS Plus July 2025 is almost here, and the wishlist is stacked with bangers like Resident Evil Village and Atomic Heart. Want the full scoop? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your gaming news hotspot. Today we're breaking down the PS Plus July 2025 wishlist. Sony's dropping the PS Plus July 2025 lineup next week, and fans are hyped after June's Grand Theft Auto 3 Definitive Edition and Destiny 2 The Final Shape. The community's wishlist is buzzing with massive titles, and we're here to unpack the top picks. Topping the list, Resident Evil Village. Capcom's first-person horror follows Ethan Winters in a terrifying village. With Resident Evil Requiem teased at Summer Game Fest, it's the perfect time for Village to hit PS Plus. Next up, Atomic Heart. Munfish's action RPG set in a wild Soviet alternate reality is a fan favorite, with a sequel and MMO spin-off coming. Don't sleep on Pacific Drive, quirky 2024 survival driving gem where you navigate a dangerous zone in a station wagon. Fans also want Final Fantasy XVI cinematic action, Metal Gear Solid Collection stealth classics, and Assassin's Creed Mirage's Baghdad adventure. Rise of the Ronin and Liza P round out the stacked wishlist. With PS Plus serving 47 million subscribers, a killer July lineup could keep the momentum going. X-fans are debating whether Sony will drop AAA hits like Village or indie surprises like Pacific Drive. This wishlist shows the hunger for variety and quality. Sony's announcement is days away, and we're betting on at least one of these wishlist titles. Will it be Resident Evil Village, Atomic Heart, or a surprise? Stay tuned for the official reveal and more PS Plus updates. Which PS Plus July game are you hoping for? Drop it in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more gaming scoops.